Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coding with Paul. In this video tutorial, I'm going to build this application which just demonstrates the overall UI of car models. This is a car application in Flutter basically, and this demonstrates the car models, its features, and many more. Let's see how this concept is divided into. This first part is a column widget which consists of three more widgets inside that, and the next part is a column widget again with the three more row widgets in that, and followed by a list view widget in that consists of all these hard-coded list with a logo name and the logo and this name. So these are pre-downloaded. I have downloaded this all. I have downloaded this icons followed by these car images online, so you can go check it. Download whatever the image you want. Just whichever image you choose, just that would be fine. So this demonstrates the filter of a car based on the brands, and this is the featuring cars. So this is the application we are going to develop in this tutorial. I have previously I enabled the asset path from the pubspec.yml. So just enable this right here. Make sure have a spacing correctly, or else it may lead to the error. Once that's done, I have created a new image in this root folder, new image directory in the root folder, and I added some images with icons. Once that's done, close that. So this is our main application. So let's start from scratch. We just to reference this, keep that side. Come here. I have deleted all the demo application codes. I deleted all those, and this is a basic code right now. How I'm gonna look. Let's start with a my app application. So materials app. So this one returns to a, let's put banner, debug banners to false. We don't want any that banner animation tag to this return. See that, and see it's a white background. Yeah, once that's done, then in this background should consist of, let's see the design first. Here this is where we have segregated with the columns, 1 column, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns into altogether. Inside that we are further divided as per our requirement. So the first thing is we have a column container. Inside the container we have a column, and so inside the column we have a row, and the row would be 1, 2, 3. That would be your icon followed by the name followed by icon. So let's do it. So on scaffold is inside the scaffold we will create a body, and the body would be a container. Container. In that container we have a color. Let's set a color for colors as white. We need a white background, as you see in our demo. White background, and this is great. This is a car view. I'm gonna create it later. So once that's done, go back to white. Once that okay, body container we return is a white color. Inside that we will create a child of column. Inside the column we will create a children widget. This children widget should consist of a row. As we see in the demo, we need a row of 3 widgets. Inside the row we'll create another children widget, and in this children widget the first thing in our requirement is an image. So icon, that's an icon of icons we need is menu icon is set. We need 3. So the way we're gonna do is, you see this is an icon, this is a name tag which we have column, and inside the column we have one more row with the column. So I'm going to show you how you do that, followed by an avatar image. So let's go. Another column, because we need one below the other. So another column we have children. In the children widget we will first set our first text view. So the text will be saying location for comma. Then next we have another row widget. Inside the row widget we have another children. Inside the children we will have one an icon, and another one is an text view. The first icon is icon So icons dot location is our first icon. Then we have is an text view. The text is hard coded. You can fetch later on tutorials if you want. Let me know down in the comment if you like to work on real-time database in this. So once that's done, so text we have, for example, it's hard coded, so Bangalore Karnataka. Sure, yes, once that's done, come out of the row. Out of the row we have another thing called, inside the children we have another thing called circle avatar. So circle avatar. So once that's done, save that, go back to your project. Let's see how it looks like. There we go. We have, this should be outside the row. So cut that from there. Below row, paste that, save that once. No, not that, I'm sorry. After this column, paste that, save that. Yeah, once that's done, we need spacing and margin on top. So you can see that it's below the status bar. We do not need that because we just to hide that from. Leave some space from the top. Let's say margin horizontal. We need a vertical spacing. So vertical margin, that will be say 10 for now. Say that 10 is small and give it some more like 20. Say that. No, I need more. Say 40. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, once that's done, we need vertical spacing as well. So horizontal spacing, I mean, so with an horizontal spacing of let's say 20. 20 is too much. The container, we need another container, and this container, create a container. Once the container, create another container. Okay, and in this container we need, let's see, a design. We need this bar, which is called a search bar, and the search bar consists of row. In that row we have these three widgets. So let's see. So in this container